Hi everyone, I'm Nancy, Pampered with Diamonds, and today I'm going to show you what I've done with Jasmine. What have I done with Jasmine? She did need some help. A friend chopped off a Diamond Art Club canvas, Jasmine, which is the princess from the Aladdin movies, and she was getting herself confused over the colors, and she needed help kitting it up and the placement of the drills, which is why I decided to do a how-to series. So let me show you what the kit looked like when I got it. There is a short out there. Feel free to watch it. It's called Jasmine by DAC. And you can see exactly how it came to me. And I will show you a photo that I took of the drills that were not placed properly. So I'm going to show you the before, which is this one. And let's see. Let's see if I can show you here. Okay. All right. I am going to change the camera view. This is a really fun canvas, by the way. Okay, here is, that there is all the drills that I picked up with my nails. I went like this with my nails across the top of the canvas, and all the drills that were placed upside down just kind of came off. And if you look kind of close, you can see the drills are crooked and they're not on there smooth. And I did clean up that corner already in this photo. So it was a little bit of a mess. But this was her second diamond painting, first ever square. So I helped her out and got it cleaned up. So that's after I scraped off all the ones that were in the wrong spot. All right, let me show you what I have done. Now, when it came to me, she had numerous containers with different kinds of drills in it and everything. And I don't know how she found anything. She thought she could work one color at a time. And if you've done a big project, you know you can't. It's really difficult on a large project like that, because then you have some drills that are placed here, some drills here, some drills here. And before you know it, you have drills placed everywhere, and your plastic won't go back on. So now your glue is exposed to cat hair, dog hair, dust. So you don't want to do that. You want to make little squares and work in small areas. So this is what I have done. Okay, the canvas had 62 colors in it, and this only has 60, and that's trash. So what I've done is I've gotten all the colors in containers, and then the last two colors she placed in here. Works out great, because this is a special drill anyway. And this one is a fairy dust. So this works out for her to do it this way. And then she had some in baggies, which I left. I left in baggies because I couldn't get them all in there. And then the ones that are were extra bags I left in the extras. And I'll go over this with her when she picks up her kit, because they could not all be placed in containers, because this is actually a really small storage system for her particular painting. But it will work. And I'm just a phone call away for her. So this will work. And I am still going to organize them by number and then letter, or maybe I'll do letters. Yeah, we'll just do this. Letter A. Well, no, we're not going to do this right this minute, because I really want to see the color code. I want to see the color strip on the canvas, so that I can make sure these are all lined up the way we want them to be. So this is her kit, kitted up without all those other little containers, and I did give her some extra baggies. She's using the Twist and Pick pen and the Diamond Art Club tray. So it's all good, and I will explain to her when this container runs out of colors, she's got more. So I'll explain all that to her when she picks it up, and make sure she has no further questions before I send her on her way. This is a beautiful canvas, and I can't wait to see it completed. So, excuse me. That is what I fixed. See how nice and pretty it is? And they're all flat the way they're supposed to be. I had fun doing just this corner, but I had to refrain myself for going any further, because this is her canvas, her project. I just wanted to fix it for her, that is all. So let me show you this kit. It is beautiful. And this is what I fixed. Okay, and then we're gonna go, let me see, how much can you see? You can see the whole thing. So it's a pretty decent sized kit. She is going to be gorgeous when it's done. So that is what I did to help her. And this is a big one. So it does have red lines, but it's not on the canvas, which is good, because that would probably confuse her. But the red lines don't go on the canvas, and I'm going to encourage her to diamond paint by square. So when you have a canvas this big, you want to go by square so you don't get overwhelmed, and you can take your time, because these are not inexpensive canvases. The outlay is a little bit high, but if you were to buy 10 diamond dot kits for $10 a piece, that's $100. And if you add up the amount of drills that you place in those 10 diamond dot kits, you're going to get close to this number, because there's roughly 10,000 to 14,000 in each diamond dot kit. So if you look at it per drill that you place, these are in par with diamond dots. So please comment about that if you've done the math. I've done it for a few of the kits. So it's just here you're buying it, the amount of drills you're buying is just strictly for one kit. At least diamond dots, you get a little variety, and it doesn't hurt so much financially in one shot. But this is going to keep her busy for a long time. so she won't have to buy any more for a while because she does work a full-time job. So if she just focuses on 1 square a week, maybe 1 square a day, it's up to her how much she wants to do and can do. So come on, come on. Okay. So again, that's what is completed, and it's going to be just beautiful. I can't wait to see her progress. How about you? Remember, I am pampered with diamonds. I like it a lot. And please be kind to everyone you